You are welcome to my channel. Today I am at Vincent. In today's video I'm going to bring you an update in BTC/ETH USDT price. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for my new video update like this. Thank you. So in today's video, yesterday I talked about a little bit of retracement back to the upside. I talked about that the market should be able to retrace a little bit back to the upside to this level, and we will see a retracement because I'm still expecting that the market should come back and retest this support level. So at the moment we can see it plays out exactly as it was predicted yesterday. We can see the market go a little bit up and it gets to this particular place, and there was a rejection at the market, then the market retraced back to the downside. So what am I looking for in the market today? So I'm expecting still, because we are still in bearish market, I'm expecting that the market should come back to the downside. There is a possibility at the moment that the market should come back to this level, to this particular level, but in a longer time I'm expecting a little bit retracement back to this, to come back and test this particular support level before we will see the next continuation. So a little bit more retracement to the upside today. When we get to 4-hour time frame, we are going to see that perfect. The market should move a little bit up, a little bit, then we will see the continuation to the downside. I'm expecting the market to come back to the downside before we will see the next move to the upside. Without wasting much of the time, we get to see that perfectly in 4-hour time frame, because we see there is a retracement back to this place. Here is a strong resistance. The bulls are not strong, they are not much in the market to move this market to the upside. That is why we saw this rejection yesterday, and with this particular candlestick here, it confirmed to us that the market is going to still go down. I'm still expecting that the market should end at right today to come back to the downside before we see the next continuation of the move side. Why in 4-hour time frame of BTC is that I'm expecting the retracement back to the sub resistance level. Market should get back to this resistance level here, and when it gets to this particular place, then we see the next continuation to the downside, because market stop at $39,765,000 as of the retracement of confirmed yesterday, because I'm still expecting the market should come back to this support before we will see the next move to the upside. That is, market get to this resistance here yesterday, this particular resistance here, and you can see there was a rejection at this particular place, then market retrace back to the downside. At the record of this video now, we can see market is sitting at this level of $40,692,000. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a little bit retracement back to this level of resistance here of $41,270,000. Market should get back to this particular position here. When market gets to this particular position here, then we will see the next retracement, that is a little bit up, then we will see the next retracement back to this particular support level here. So when market gets to here, then we'll see the next move to the upside. That is what I'm expecting at the moment in BTC. Not much move, but a little bit retracement to the upside, then she'll come back to retrace back to the downside to the support level before we'll see the next impulsive move. But we need to pay close attention to this support level. When we see a significant candlestick that break out below all this candlestick here, below every close candlestick here, that means market have a tendency of coming back to the next support level of $37,000. So at the moment, a retracement little bit to the upside, while then to retracement to the downside, then before we confirm the next move to the upside. Why in ETH 1 day time frame? still market as sitting at this strong support level at the moment. Market is sitting at this strong support level. At the record of this video, market is sitting at $3,013 $3,013 level. So I'm expecting a little bit retracement to the upside. This is a strong support. We need to pay close attention to it at the moment, because when we see a breakout below all these candlestick at this support level, that means market confirm to us that we are coming back to this support here, this particular level of $2,831. So we need to pay close attention to this particular level at the moment, because if there is any breakout below here, but I'm expecting a little bit consolidation at this particular support level before we see the next move to the upside. But if it break below every close candlestick here, then there is tendency of coming back to this, because this is the next support level that will hold the market. If market break out from this level which we are at the moment, market will retrace back to this particular level. Why in 4-hour time frame of ETH we can see this rejection, market come back to tell you that here is a strong support. Market break below that support and it came down. We saw up to $2,944,000, and there was a rejection back to the support level. There's a rejection. Market rejected at this particular level back to this support level, and we are seeing a retracement. So I'm expecting a little bit retracement to the upside to this particular level of $3,080 back to this level. Then we'll see another retracement to the downside to come and retest this particular before we see the next continuation. That is, market should retrace in this manner, like a little bit up to this level, then we'll see a retracement back to the downside a little bit before we see the next move to the upside. The next move to the upside. But when market retrace back a little bit to the downside, when we see a fail of this to this support level, if market break out from this support level with a significant candlestick below all these close candlestick we are seeing here, below all this candlestick, this particular one here, this particular one here, we can see this close candlestick here, you can see this one here, as well as this particular one here. So if we see a break out below all these close candlestick, that confirms to us that market is moving back to this level. This is the next support that we need to pay close attention at this particular place before we see the next move to the upside as well. So this is my prediction as for ETH. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button for my next update like this, and comment below what do you think BTC is going to do in a shorter time frame, and what is your own expectation in ETH as well. Thanks for watching.